Hello everyone. Today's video doesn't really fit in with my usual shenanigans, but me and my brother, @JSimpsonWH3rd, sat on the sofa laughing at this video to the point of tears, and I just found it funny. So today's video is literally just Oliver, in his pajamas, stood in a corridor saying Nestumtoses in every Plotagon emote. Also I changed my character's skull shape, but you can't tell since I'm wearing this. Considering getting a new mask. Oh, and there's a bonus for you at the end. Enjoy or don't.
Nestumtoses. 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 Nestumtoses.
And now, for the bonus I mentioned.
Joho 79% Bill Makeup Nestumtoses. Discounts of Merinance selling Pride T80s and Lee Subjectio availability, 3+. Derva creams apply.